Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel and showing your support all the time. So today I've come up with this big bright eye look. So let's get in. I'm going to apply a concealer on my lid to cancel any discoloration, any reddishness, so that we will have a clean canvas. Any shadows or any pigmentation on the eyelid will not help us achieve a brighter look because we'll be applying lighter shades and shimmer, and if you don't cancel these pigmentation colors on your eyelids, they may turn into a gray color or you will not get the desired look. As you can see, all the pigmentation or the discoloration on my eyelid is totally cancelled, and then I'm going to take a damp blender and then I'm going to pat it on my eyelid. And to avoid any creases, we are going to apply a powder foundation or a translucent powder, anything you have, so that the concealer doesn't crease, and it will make very easy for us to blend any eyeshadows we put on the eyelids. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and then dip it into a light brown eyeshadow. This shade is 2 shades darker than my natural color. So what we are doing here is we are preparing our crease, and whatever dark colors we are going to apply in our crease, this shade will help us achieve a good blend. So we are going to apply this near the brow bone. Then I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and dip it into a little much darker brown shade, and then we will start defining the crease. As you can see, I'm trying to draw a line parallel to my natural crease. I've taken it a bit up. This is going to be a new crease. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and then blend the 2 shadows together to cancel any harsh lines. So as you can see, I'm blending very small twirls, very light strokes. Now you can see the both shadows have blended quite well together, and we got a good crease shape. This is the main thing. This is the backbone of this look. This is going to make your eye look bigger. Now I'm gonna take a liquid eyeshadow. This is from Swiss Beauty. It is a beautiful champagne color with a pink undertone, and I'm going to apply it with the help of an angle brush. The reason I'm taking an angle brush is to define the line of this eyeshadow. I'm then gonna draw a line on my eye socket because that is where the liquid shadow will go, and then I will start slowly building up the eyeshadow. When we are working with glitters and shimmers, please keep in mind we have to apply little at a time, and we should also blend it so that if we don't blend it, this is going to appear very chunky and chalky, and we don't need that. So I'm applying little at a time and then blending it with the brush. As you can see, I'm defining my crease, and slowly after I apply this shimmer all over my eyelid, I'm going to draw a wing. Once I've applied the eyeshadow all over my lid, I'm going to blend it again with the brush, and as you can see, I'm slowly winging this out. We are creating a shimmer wing here, and trust me, this is gonna look very beautiful in the end. Next, I'm going to take a gel liner. I'm taking a Maybelline gel liner here, and with the help of a eyeliner brush, I'm going to apply the eyeliner very close to my lash line. We do not want to draw a thick eyeliner here because our goal is to have a brighter and bigger eye. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply a coat of mascara. The reason we curl our lashes is because when we are going to put on false eyelashes, they are going to sit very nicely on top of our natural lashes. So that's why we curl the lashes. So as you can see here, I'm applying few coats of mascara. I'm taking Ardell lashes demi wispies here because we want very light lashes to add some volume to our natural lashes, because we have such a beautiful shimmer eyelid, and if we apply thick lashes, it is going to cover the whole lid. Now I'm going to take this nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. This is also going to help us achieve a bigger eye look. I'm going to take the same eyeliner brush and draw a line a bit lower to my original lower lash line. This will also give us an illusion of a bigger eye. And once I draw that black line, I'm going to take the same light brown shadow and diffuse this. So as you can see, our eye is already looking a bit big. Repeat the same step, take a darker eyeshadow and then start blending it. As you can see, some eyeshadow has spread, so I'm taking some loose powder foundation and cancelling that extra spill of that eyeshadow. I'm going to take the same powder and apply it on my brow bone and my inner corner. It is going to give us a much softer look. And then I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. This will also help us achieve a bigger eye. I'm going to take the same shimmer and highlight my inner corner, the lower part of my inner corner and my brow bone. So as you can see, this look is apt for weddings or parties or any functions. We have applied just 2 shades and some shimmer, and see how beautiful the eye is looking. That's it guys, I hope I've taught you something. Let me know in the comments below how you found this look and what should we do next. And also follow me on my Instagram, it's the same name, Pretty Moon. I will be having a giveaway very soon, and I would love if you follow me on Instagram and participate in it. And thanks a lot again and again, thanks a lot for showing so much love and support on my channel. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.